What's up, everybody? I just wanted to say real quick how happy I am that you all have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, because just being able to bring this magic to you and unbox and reveal all these Harry Potter products is amazing. And I'm so happy you guys are enjoying it. And real quick, as I'm going to talk about in this video right here, this is the wall that we're going to be working with. What's up, witches, wizards, and muggles, and welcome back. That's right. Today, we are getting a wall ready. Let me turn you around. We got the first plank up. I messed up and got the wrong size 2x4s for the wall. For some reason, I thought it would be okay, and it was a hassle. But we got the first board up. They're going to come out. The lights are going to get recessed into the bookcase. And this is going to be amazing. We got the hutch moved right here behind me. And as you can see the before picture, it looks really cluttered. I mean, I got Harry Potter stuff on top of that hutch. I got it inside of the hutch. And it's just crazy. So I'll be back with some progress updates. Alright, it's the next day and we have almost all the planks up. I actually ran short right here because I thought these were 6-inch planks, and turns out they're 5.5. But that's what you get for assuming, right? But let me just give you a full shot of this. This turned out amazing. Now remember, this is still just the back wall, and we have plenty more to come. We got the shelves, the frame for it. We recessed the plug right there to make it flush with these shelves. See if I can stand back, get you a full shot. It's gonna be an entire wall of shelves, guys. The results for this came out way better than I could have imagined. Look at this. Look at this. We took it back about 2.5 inches off the wall, just so I didn't have to put a bunch of screws and stuff in the wall. And I have some crown molding up top that I didn't want to have to take down or make some funky cut around it. So here we are. It looks amazing, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest. Okay, and now we finally have the back wall done. Let me turn this around. We have extended the plug, the light switch, extended and updated the thermostat. So it's all capped off, ready for the shelves to go up, which we have started on. The shelves had to be perfectly even from side to side, and it's a lot of trial and error, but hey, nothing's too much work when you're trying to display your Harry Potter, right? What's up, everybody? It's time for that big reveal. Yes, this is the last update you're going to get on these shelves, because guess what? They're done. They're done. It took me about 1.5 weeks straight, waking up, working on these. This is a lot of work. When you're staining and varnishing wood, it is no joke. It is the big deal. Are you guys ready? You guys ready for the big reveal? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. There it is. 8 foot from the floor to the ceiling, 10 feet from the wall to wall. One solid bookshelf that's built in to the wall. I still have to polish up the boards because I wet sanded them. I just want to wait a little bit longer so I don't ruin the varnish. We had to pull out these lights, or this thermostat. We upgraded the thermostat at the same time. We had to pull out the light switch and the plug behind there. There was another plug that I wasn't able to pull out of the wall, so I just capped it. But this is it. Like I said, don't mind the spots. Those are going to come up with the furniture polish, the wood polish. But the top shelf is one long shelf. I think it's a 2-foot high shelf. Then we have 14-inch shelves down to a 13-inch shelf. Over here it's 14. This is gapped out a little bit bigger because of that light panel. This is it, guys. Only thing that throws off the aesthetics is that hutch. I could sand it down and stain it the same color, but we'll wait for another day. The big project here was building this bookshelf and framing in that hutch. And this is it. I think it turned out amazing. So thank you all for watching me build this, joining along with me. This has been a rough week and a half. This is my first ever bookshelf that I've ever made, and I went all out on it. So again, thank you, and keep your eyes open, because this isn't the last you're seeing of this bookshelf. We got to tear open that hatch and start distributing the items in there onto the bookshelf. So watch out for that video. And until next time, everybody, Knox!